Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So I know I look kind of crazy right now, but I'm just finishing up the process of my hair routine. So I know it's going to start off like this, but whatever. I'm just going to go and show you guys my quick and easy, quick and fast hair routine when it's late at night. I don't feel like, because certain products that are in my hair, it takes longer for it to dry. So it is pretty late. Well, to have my hair dry, it is late. It's 5:30, which is pretty late for me to start like my actual hair routine, because my hair does take at least like 10 hours to dry. So right here, I'm just going to show you my lightweight, quick and easy curly hair routine. So I already hopped out the shower. Obviously, I did my hair. I shampooed and conditioned with Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil. So I have the shampoo and I have the conditioner, which is basically gone. So in my hair, I have two different types of masks in my hair. The first one that I have in my hair is a Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hydrate Repair Protein Power Treatment Mask. And I prefer this right now because it is the colder seasons. My hair is more fragile and brittle, and it just, you know, split ends. And I went ahead and topped it off with the Shea Moisture Coconut Oil Hydration Mask. And this is what it looks like. I love all these products. I love Shea Moisture. It is my favorite brand. Let me go ahead and quickly rinse out these masks, and I'll get right back to you with how I actually style my hair. Alrighty guys, so my hair is now rinsed out from the masks that I had, and my hair is dripping wet. As you can see, that's why I have a towel over it. Disclaimer, I do not dry my hair with these towels. I either have my hair air dry or I have a microfiber towel, but I just have this over it just so I don't get, you know, drenched, you know, with water. So yeah. Okay, so like I said, this is going to be like my version of a quick and easy, quick and simple hair routine that if I'm doing, you know, like I said, late at night in a hurry, that I don't have time to wait all that time for my hair to dry. This is what I do, and it's only two products, probably three. The first thing that I'm going into with is the Cantu Smoothing Leave-In Conditioner Lotion. And what's good about Cantu is that there's no sulfates, parabens, or silicones. So this is actually good for curly hair people out there that are trying to find like a cheap drugstore alternative. So I'm going to go ahead and split my hair into just two sections. Normally, well, even when I do like an actual like full-blown like hair product, like 5 of them, well not 5, but like my actual curly hair routine, I still leave it in two sections, but then I sometimes like make 2 up top. But overall, my hair isn't that thick for me to do more sections. So most of the time, I just go ahead and do 2 sections, and my hair is actually getting pretty long. I'm really happy. So this is like 6 pumps right here. Just going to go ahead and put that all in one section of my hair. my mirror is all the way over there, so I'm just like looking in this screen. Hopefully everything is, you know, evened out in my hair. I used to not like Cantu products because it made me have a lot of flyaways. And like, I mean, I guess that was because I didn't know how to automatically take care of my hair back then. But I just never liked it. So now that I'm more educated on my hair, hopefully, you know, because I had like different products with sulfates and everything and with each other, I didn't know anything. So hopefully this turns out okay, but it smells really good. So I'm just going to go ahead and do the other section. I'm going to put some in the back of my head, like my crown area, because that's where I get dry. My hair gets dry fast in that area. Make sure you always get your ends. If you want to have your hair grow, heat for one, but make sure your ends are taken really good, you know, care of. Next product that I have is the same brand, Cantu. It is a hydrating leave-in conditioner mist, and this is what it looks like. And I'm just going to go ahead and spray that all throughout my hair and mostly on my ends. You guys see my curls? They're so healthy looking. Oh my goodness. If you guys want me to do a video on how I take care, maintain, and grow out my hair, go ahead and let me know. But I'm already planning to do a video like that to help you guys out for the ones that are just trying to grow their curly hair out. But yeah, I'll go ahead and do that video soon. So this is what my hair looks like, and I may put some clips up top. Well, I normally do put clips up top in my roots so they don't dry flat. So right now it does, you know, look flat and looks like, you know, like what the hell, Jordan. But trust me, obviously wet hair is not as cute as when it is dry hair on curly hair. But this is what my hair, my curls looks like. So, oh my god. But this is what my hair looks like, and I'm going to show, oh, what time is it? So it is right now 5:56. And so basically I'm just going to round it to 6 o'clock, and I'm just going to see how long it takes for my hair to dry with just these two products, because honestly it's been a while since I've done a quick, like, simple hair routine, and see how long that my hair dries, because like I said, it's normally like 10, sometimes 12, a full 12 hours for my hair to actually completely dry. So with me only putting two products, lightweight products in my hair, I'm just going to see along with you guys to see how long my hair dries. So I am back. It is now 9:58 and my hair is completely dry. So 4 hours it took for my hair to dry, and this is the final look. It is a little bit frizzy up top, but I mean that's okay with me. It's no biggie. But yeah, so this is what my hair looks like with the Cantu products that I use. And yeah, so that is it. I really hope you guys enjoyed my curly hair routine. I'm going to go watch this Victoria's Secret show, so I'm going to go ahead and go. So I'll go ahead and see you guys next time in the videos. Bye, you guys.